Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of website builders with a focus on SiteRubix. First things first, click the link in the description box to access the platform. So, let's jump right in. SiteRubix is the brainchild of Wealthy Affiliate, a platform known for its comprehensive training in affiliate marketing. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to get started. Its drag-and-drop functionality allows you to design your website without any coding knowledge. One of the standout features of SiteRubix is its integration with WordPress. It offers a wide range of themes and plugins, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. Another benefit of SiteRubix is its hosting service. Your website is hosted on Wealthy Affiliate's servers, which are optimized for speed and reliability. This means your site will load quickly and remain online, minimizing downtime. SiteRubix users have access to Wealthy Affiliate's community and support team. Whether you have a technical issue or need advice on growing your website, help is just a few clicks away. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. In conclusion, SiteRubix remains a solid choice for building websites in 2024, especially for beginners and those in the affiliate marketing space. Its user-friendly interface, integration with WordPress, reliable hosting, and supportive community make it a compelling option. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description box to try SiteRubix. Thank you for watching.